Today I will guide you on adding Google Analytics code to your WordPress site without the use of WordPress plugin. So to beginning with, just go to Google Analytics. If you know the website, type it. If you don't, just Google it. It's analytics.google.com. Once you click on Google Analytics, you will get a page where you will have lots of menu related to analytics. So for now, we'll go to the admin link from where you will get the Google Analytics code. It's on the left bottom corner. Once you click it, you'll have the sites linked with Google Analytics. Among them, choose the property that is made with WordPress. So once you click on the WordPress site, you will have the tracking info. Under that, you click on tracking code. Once you click on tracking code, you will be provided with a tracking code from Google. Just copy them and go to your WordPress site. Under the appearance, click on theme editor. So once you click on theme editor, you will see the style.css by default. Now you need to move to the header.php. That's a theme header. In every theme you will have this page. So just click on that page, and now you have to put the analytics code that you have just copied from Google Analytics website. So just put just before the end of the head tag, like this. Once you put it, just save the file. It's simple. Once you save the file, it's done. Sometimes due to the setting on security reason, you might not be able to update the file directly from the WordPress. In that case, you have to do the same from the cPanel. You have to go to the individual theme folder and then to the header page. So that's it. You have to do. The drawback of using this is like you might need to change or add the code to everything that you modify. I mean, like if you want to change other theme, then you have to add this code in the theme header again. So if you use the theme plugin, then you don't need to do this. Thank you for watching.